Kapuso actress Helena Budol described her on-screen kiss with her leading men actor Tony Labrusca and Thai-Irish model and Manhunt International 2024 na Kevin Daisam. After her Magandang Dilag series, Helena was given a new project, the series Binibining Marikit. Previously, the actress said that the controversy that happened between her former leading man Rob Gomez would not happen in her new series. In a recent interview for her new project, based on the article in Bandera, Helena Budol was asked to describe her leading men. She said, "Super yummy." The actress also described the kissing scenes that she had with Tony and Kevin. She obviously enjoyed working with her leading men as she said, "Masarap." Regarding their kissing scenes, "Napakaswerte ko dito sa Binibining Marikit na ta. Ang babango ng hininga," she said. Helena enthused that her toothbrush was by her side when she slept because this was her first on-screen kiss. She also said she can't tell who the best kisser is. Helena also said that her leading men were very professional and they did not take advantage of her and she really did her best for the intimate scenes. "Galingan ko na, kasi ang tagal ko na rin namang walang, ang bunganga ko talaga." The actress jokingly said. With this, Tony said that Helen's energy and humor brought happiness to the set. He added that they come to the set, do their best, and they are happy with the vibes. The actor also said that Helena Budol is a god kisser but she was just shy. When Kevin was asked about what Helena said, her was quite shy but he said that it was amazing working with the actress and also with seasoned comedian Pokwang. He added that he did not feel that he was just a newcomer in showbiz because everyone on set was kind to him.